Welcome to the presentation of the statistics part of the individual dashboard. The statistics allow you to track your progress with data regarding the tasks and projects in which you participate and thus help you to optimize your professional and personal balance. With the filters, you can choose to display the statistics of your professional projects, of your personal projects, or you can display both. Different types of statistics appear, such as the number of completed tasks. You can choose to display certain statistics by day, by week, or by month. Here, on this indicator, you can for example see the number of tasks completed during the month of June. Here you can see the general average of the number of tasks completed. For more information, please visit our online help, available here at any time.